Hey! Thanks for purchasing our filter, so let's see how we can upload a filter to your profile. Before start the uploading process we have to complete 2 requirements. The first requirement is your account must be a creator or business account. Second requirement is your Instagram account will be connected to your Facebook page. So let's start. If you have done these things before you should skip the video to this time. Let's see how we can done our 2 requirements very easily. Open your Instagram, then click on Edit Profile. Scroll down, then click on Switch to Professional Account. Then click on Continue. 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 Then select your category here. Then click on Done. Here select your profile type. Click Next. Then close the screen by clicking here. So we have successfully done our first requirement. So let's go for our second requirement. For second requirement, again click on Edit Profile. Scroll down. Here click on Page Connect or Create. If you have already a page, click on Connect Existing Page. If you don't have, then click on Create Facebook Page. So let me click on Create Facebook Page. Continue. Don't have a Facebook account, you should create a new account by clicking here. So I already have an account. Let me log in with this account. Then click on Login. Once you have logged in, you will be redirected to this page. Click on Continue. Then you will be again redirected to your Instagram. Then it will show a pop-up like this. Just click on Continue. Then click on Yes, Finish Setup. We have successfully completed all our requirements. Now go to your email. Download your filter from here. So let's see how to download. Click on this link. Now open with any of these browsers.
Hey Zay, hurry up.
Then click on More. Scroll down and click on Save to File. Now create a new folder by clicking here. Now rename the folder. So I'm renamed as Filter File. Once you have renamed, click on Done. Now click on Save. Click on Done. Now open Files app. Tap on Search. Now search for the folder we have downloaded from our email. Click on this folder and tap on this zip and extract the files. Now close File app. Now it's time to upload our filter into our Instagram profile. Now open any browser you have. And open Facebook. And log in the account you have linked to your Instagram profile previously. Let me log in. Once you have logged in, open a new tab. Search for Spark Our Hub. Click on this page, sparkr.facebook.com. Then click on Get Started. Then close the pop-up by clicking here. Now click on these 3 lines. In below select your page. You have linked to your Instagram previously. Once you have selected, now click on Publish, tap on Effect. Now we are on the publishing page. Here we need 3 things before publishing our filter: name, filter file, preview video, and icon. So let's see how to complete the 3 needs. Here write your filter name, whatever you want to give according to your choice. Note, you could use only 20 character. Also you can use a stylish font here. So I write my name here. Blue light. Now go second option, choose your filter file that you have already downloaded from your email. Once it's uploaded, scroll down. Select 4 categories here, as I'm selecting. After selecting, scroll down again. Here add some keywords according to your filter. Also you could add your username and brand name here. Now click on Save. Wait. When it has saved, click on Test on device. Now send the test link to your phone by clicking on Send. Now minimize your browser and open Instagram. Here you will see the test link. Now click on it and start recording your preview video. Now save the video to your gallery by clicking on the save icon here. Once it has saved, now open your browser again. And upload your preview video here. Now wait until it's not uploaded. Once it has uploaded, scroll down again and select your icon from here.
Hey Zay, hurry up.
Wait now until it's not showing a crop pop-up. Now crop your icon. Now click on Confirm. Scroll down. And click on Instructions for the reviewer. Just write something about your filter like, "It's a great filter for people who love to make reels." That's shit. It's not that important. Now, if submit button not showing, just rotate your phone. Now it will show. Then click on Submit. Wait until it's not submitted. Now we are successfully submitted. After submitting, it's take 2 to 3 hours to show on your profile.
2 hours later.
After 2 hours later, finally our filter successfully showed on our profile.